Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Warhammer Vermintide 2 game not launching or won't launch problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So let's follow the fixes. First fix is to disable your modes. So if you're using any kind of modes, then disable them or delete them and then check. Fix 2 is to delete Warhammer Vermintide 2 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open app data folder. If you don't see this app data folder over here, then click on here view, then click on show and then check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open roaming folder. Now right click on fat shark folder and then copy it and then paste it to desktop first to keep the backup. And once you have the backup, then open fat shark folder, then right click on Vermintide 2 folder and then select delete to delete it. Then go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer Vermintide 2 game and then select properties. And now in the general tab, in the launch options, type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -dx12, close it, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the binaries folder. Now scroll down, right click on Vermintide 2 exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then disable full screen optimization option, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes. Now go back, open binaries dx12 folder, scroll down, right click on this Vermintide 2 underscore dx12 exe file and do the same thing with this file also. Open properties, go to compatibility tab, tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then check mark this option. From here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Not working, then again from here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then disable full screen optimization option as well, tick mark it and then hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check if your problem is solved or not. If it's still not working, then again untick all these boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive, program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open Warhammer Vermintide 2 folder. Now select this start protected game exe file, then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Open launcher folder, select launcher exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Go back, open binaries folder, select Vermintide 2 exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, click browse all apps. Go back, open binaries dx12 folder, select Vermintide 2 dx12 exe file, select open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then browse to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Warhammer Vermintide 2 folder, select start protected game exe file, click open and then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open launcher folder, select launcher exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. So again click on allow another app, click on browse, go back, open binaries folder, select Vermintide 2 exe file and then click open and then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, go back, open binaries dx12 folder, select Vermintide 2 dx12 exe file, click open and then click on add and then click OK to save changes. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well and then check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now browse to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Now open Warhammer Vermintide 2 folder, open binaries folder, select Vermintide 2 exe file, then click on add, expand Vermintide 2 and then from here select high performance. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Similarly, click on add desktop app again, go back, open binaries dx12 folder, select Vermintide 2 dx12 exe file and then click on add. It is already added in my case. Just expand it and then from here select high performance and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to just search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall the latest version. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option and then hit on next and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer Vermintide 2 game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. You have to download both the version. Now you have to download both the version one by one. So first click on x64 version. Now if you see install option, then click on install, and if you see repair option, then click on repair and install it. Then click on x86 version. Now again if you see install option, then click on install, and if you see repair option, then click on repair and install it. Then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. So disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and then enable it, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the top bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitor connected to your PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Warhammer Vermintide 2 game from your PC, then restart your device and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external drive and then check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Warhammer Vermintide 2 game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.